Hi, I'm Mike with DigiKomp. I'm here representing ESP Power Filter, the best power filter out on the market today. What I have here is the waveform generator that will be able to show and prove some of the issues that are going out in the world. Two of the things that happen to you is noise, not something that you hear, but actually noise is very disruptive and very confusing to your digital products. The other issue is surge. Surge will happen with lightning and other mishaps that are out there in the world every day. So what I want to talk to you about is noise. Tied into this little gray outlet is a handheld fluke monitor. The fluke monitor is actually monitoring the amount of noise on this line. Also tied into the circuitry is a simple little microprocessor, just counting all the way up to 99 and starting over again. This is your digital signage, this is your kiosks. What happens out there in the world is other things create noise. Maybe it's the pop machine, maybe it's the air conditioner kicking on, but we're generating noise. When we input this noise onto the circuitry with this green cord, you can actually see the noise. 2.6 volts, a very small amount of voltage. I remember when I was a little kid, I used to test my little 9-volt battery on the tip of my tongue. Okay, last week I was testing my 9-volt battery on the tip of my tongue. That's 9 volts, right? This is less than a third of that. But it locks up your microprocessor. It doesn't hurt the machine, it just confuses it. Then you have to have a service call, try and plugging it back in, boom, it's working again. Until the noise is back. The problem with noise is very intermittent, it comes and it goes. Most units out there either get plugged directly into the wall, or even worse, you think you actually have some protection here with a surge strip. You plug the surge strip in here, 2.6 volts. Still lots of voltage that's locking up your microprocessors, causing service calls, hurting your equipment. What the ESP power filter does is we actually take this noise through our patented technology, squishes it down, and now you can read on the handheld fluke monitor 0.3 volts. Very small amount of voltage, but we're filtering all that excess noise out, but make sure your microprocessor continues to flow, giving your unit good, clean power. That's only half the problems. The other half is surges. Surges are due to lightning, other electrical mishap, maybe a drunk driver runs into the telephone pole, sends a surge on down the line. You have all those issues. Lack of power continues to plague probably about 70% of the issues out there in the world today. So take our digital signage, plug it into our handy-dandy power strip here, and plug it into the red outlet. What we're going to do is turn it on here, press both of the buttons simultaneously, and send that surge down through here. Watch what happens. Just like lightning. 3, 2, 1, bam! Blows out the power protection device, goes right through it, and now actually you have a service call. You have to send out a technician. He has to get a new part. Maybe Federal Express is involved. All issues that could cost you precious downtime. Plug it back into the unit. Nothing happened to the surge protector. That surge went through there so quickly with such force it didn't even see it. Blew right by. With the ESP power filter, we actually have 3 stages of surge protective device built into this unit. So that exact same power surge, 3, 2, 1, stops and mitigates that surge. Completely arrests it all day long. Nothing happens to your precious digital signage, nothing happens to your kiosk, nothing happens to your ATM. It all keeps them up and running, giving you the best power filter out there on the market today.